Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I want to do another example of exiting out of a void function, and I'm going to give you perhaps a little bit better example. So I've included my header file, I've got my main function. Let's create a function prototype of type void. We're going to use Dean's age again. We're going to pass in an integer called age, and I'll just make a comment that this is my function prototype. Okay, and then we'll go down and we'll create the function. So I'm going to type void again, because that's the type of the function, name of the function, Dean's underscore age, and what I'm passing into the function. And I can say something like if age equals 26, then I can print you are correct, an exclamation point, and do a /n to move down to a new line, and we'll just return out of the function. We won't have an else, but we'll have a for loop. And actually, let's declare a local variable here so we can use our for loop. So int I, and then we'll say something like for I equals 0, I is less than 100, I plus plus, so we're incrementing I each time through the loop. We're going to print f, you are wrong, okay, with a /n. And we'll do that basically 100 times. Now, because it's a void function, so if we don't enter 26, we don't need to return anything, but we can return out of it. We're only going to say you're correct once, but otherwise it's going to keep running through the function and it's going to print out you're wrong 100 times. Okay, so now let's go up to our main function and let's get in this variable here. So I'll create an integer called age. I'll print f, something like how old was Dean in the first season of Supernatural. Let's put a question mark and a space for formatting, and then scan f, and we're scanning in an integer and into age. Remember the ampersand there. And then we'll call the Dean's age function and pass in age. And then at the end, we'll just return 0 because the main function is an integer as well. Okay, integer type function. Okay, so let's run the terminal, and I'm going to compile this. So it's like return void 2, I think, .c. Let's do return void 2. Okay, so it compiled. And now let's run return void 2. How old was Dean in the first season of Supernatural? Let's just put 26. You're correct. It just exited right out of that function. Let's run it again. And this time, let's put 27. All right. And now we're going to get you are wrong 100 times. So it didn't return. It didn't exit out of the function. It went to that for loop and just kept running. So it went down here to the for loop and kept running through it 100 times. I hope this illustrates returning out of a void function a little bit better than the previous example. If you still have questions, leave comments in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. It really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.